Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise, Loan Appraisal, 1963 Chevrolet shortbox, two-wheel drive pickup. Looking the truck over for United Financial Credit Union. We'll go around the truck real quick and then we'll take her for a drive down the road. It's got just local driver quality paint on it. Truck was really never repainted at a professional level. The body's pretty solid. Took a magnet around it. You can see obviously some repairs have been done. Was reported to be a California truck originally. So it's got good magnetic adhesion in most areas and some filler in some other spots. Take a quick look at the body mounts. They've been changed. The body was off the frame. Big old 3-inch exhaust. Truck's got a GM 12 bolt in it with a C-notched frame. Can you see that? It's all been boxed in nicely. So it's lowered, I believe it's 4 or 5 inches. I'll have to chat with the guy who owns it. Tires are in really nice shape, 15-inch tires. No leaks seen in the back. So the frame, the floors, and the box all are in very presentable shape. Good solid survivor quality. The truck is just cosmetically a 20-25 footer. The lower ivory paint is fairly flat, and this is more of a single stage application with typical runs and whatnot. A little bit of rust up here in the rain gutters, but essentially the truck looks pretty solid. We're going to fire it up and drive it down the road real quick. A little bit of rust going on in the lower door corners, but they're pretty solid for original. VIN tag is properly affixed here, and the VIN is stamped on the frame rail here, adjacent to the core support and inner left fender. It's a built small block Chevy. I'm going to have the owner fire it up and we can observe it. V-belt, 3-wire alternator, no power steering, got power brakes. Updated electronic ignition. Edelbrock intake, single feed carb with an electric choke, headers. Frame rails are nice and clean, inner fenders are nice and clean. Truck looks nicer under the hood than it does on the outside. Bumpers are in decent shape. The rear bumper is a Ford chrome bumper, a little bit of patina and whatnot. It's got some general paint wear and patina on the grille and headlight bezels, but they're all complete. Trim rings on some steel wheels, 15-inch, 225/70/15 tires. Okay, so we went through some of the scratches. The windshield looks like it's in pretty good shape. Got a wiper rub mark up there. But again, magnetic adhesion is pretty good. A little bit of filler right down in here, a little bit in here. And we got adhesion there, even though there's a little bit of filler there and in the rocker corners. All right, let's head out. Real quick, a little bit of pitting on the original chrome for sure. Seat cover's been renewed, carpet's been renewed. We've got working gauges, working tachometer, wiring's been upgraded for the most part. Oil pressure showing good at about 50 pounds on the gauge. Gas gauge appears to work. There's no radio in the truck. Custom skeleton shifter, 350 trans. If I didn't mention that earlier. Temps starting to come up. Turn signals operate, headlights, bright lights, tail lights, and license plate light all in working order. Horn not currently beeping. Glove box liner's been changed. Fan controls are operational. Not set up with heat, but it's a summer driver, so not necessary. Alright, we're going to head down the road. First to second. Doesn't steer too bad one-handed with no power steering. Pardon me. We'll come to a stop and we'll do a little quicker acceleration there. There we go, first to second. There's second to third. I missed it the first time. It does not feel like it's got a shift kit in it. Heading over some bumps doesn't feel too lumpy. I'm going to take my hand off the wheel real quick. Seems to head down the road nice and straight. Odometer does appear to be turning. Holding the road real nice. It's reported to have a 373 gear in it. I'm going to step on the brakes here. I'm going to take my hands off the wheel again. The truck's coming to a nice straight halt. Just watch down that way. Turn signals are operating. Get on it. That's about as fast as we're going to go. We got speed limits to be considerate of. Alright, one more quick acceleration and we'll end this video. Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise. Real quick, temperature sending unit is not really set up to read correctly. You see it kind of all over the map there. We'll check the engine temperature when we get back. But the truck runs good. Doesn't seem to have any mechanical issues to speak of. Alright, we'll do the wrap up when I get back. Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise. Credit Union Loan Appraisal. 1963 Chevy half-ton pickup truck, Flint Michigan, 800-301-3886. So as we wrap up the drive here, the ohms coming from the sending unit to the gauge may be not matched correctly, but we'll try to get an engine temperature read when we get back here. Engine's reported to have been rebuilt less than 1,000 miles ago. The rear end case looks real nice. Tranny does not have a shift kit, 350 turbo, does not have a kick-down passing gear set up for reasons unknown. So other than the horn not working, all the other safety features appear to be in line and working as they should. Sounds good. It's got headers and a 3-inch system, no tailpipes. I don't have my digital temp meter with me, but the engine's not that hot. Doesn't feel like we're building pressure to speak of. We just ran it about 5-6 miles, so the purchaser can check that out in further detail. Alright, all finished up. United Financial Credit Union ordered this appraisal. If you need service like this, Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise, 800-301-3886. Got 300 guys around the country. Only we shoot these videos here in Michigan. And a written report, along with a certified value and photos, will come with the vehicle. Alright, thanks for hanging out.